Okay, so this is Adi. He is a
Hello.
hi Adi. He is our
Hello.
student. He took our Agileroo class, just one course, but because he's pretty advanced and he's studying at a Mate Info high
Yes.
school in Bucharest. What school are you at? Are you in
Eminescu.
Eminescu in Bucharest, right?
Yes.
Grade?
Right.
You are grade?
I just in 11th grade. Now 11th grade.
Grade 11. Okay, so just introduce yourself and the stage is yours.
Okay. So hello, I'm Adi, and for today I want to present you. Uh, I want to present you Type Racer.
Okay.
Type Racer. This is Type Racer. Basically, it's a game made to test your typing skills in a fun way. It tracks stats as your words per minute, your accuracy, and it even offers you points to score highest in the leaderboard. Um, if we somehow misspell a word, mistakes will be highlighted in red, so we can come back, correct them, and move on. There are also 75 seconds to write. There is a timer, and when the timer finishes, the game is over. Now
Okay.
let me present you the application. I will change screen. So this is Type Racer. As soon as we run the application, you can see the main menu. This is a simple main menu with two main buttons, a home one and a leaderboard one. We can also see the big play button and the leaderboard box where the best 4 players are shown here. These are my last attempts. I've just made up these names so it looks more versatile. As soon as we hit play, you'll see that the counter starts counting down 75 seconds. Now, as soon as we start typing, you can see that the text starts highlighting in green, and if we somehow made a mistake, the mistake is highlighted in red.
Wow.
If we continue typing, if we have a mistake, we cannot continue typing, and so we have to come back, correct the mistake, and then we can move on. You can see the words per minute and accuracy update in real time, so if I continue typing, your self words per minute goes to 8. Goes to 10, accuracy to 85. Now, if we don't finish this in time, there are no worries. Points will be still offered, but there will not be as many points as if we finish typing in time.
Okay.
Now, as soon as we hit 10 seconds, the countdown turns red to put more pressure on the player.
Mm-hmm.
And as soon as the timer finishes, the game is over. Now, we can see that points are given at the end, because there's an algorithm that counts how many seconds we wrote, and with the words per minute and accuracy, it offers points. Now, if we submit our name here, I'll just put Adi3, the application closes. If we run it again, and we hit the leaderboard button, we can see all the players that played this game. And we also can see here Adi3, which I scored 133 points. Now, this is Type Racer, I hope you like it, and thank you for your time.
That's excellent, but let's take a look at the code. That's great.
Oh,
Wow.
the code. Okay.
Good stuff. So just tell us, did you use classes at all or just functions?
Just functions.
Okay, so then we will have to rewrite it using object-oriented programming next year. Next
Okay,
class.
I'm
Okay.
open to it.
Yeah. Maybe, okay,
Okay.
this is your homework for vacation and when we meet.
Yes. That would be
Okay,
nice.
let's see. Okay, so
Okay.
you,
We used libraries such as threading for also the countdown and also the checking when we write something to check if it's correct or not. We used this new library, which is CX Oracle, which connects to our Oracle database to store our high scores. Now here is a simple connection to the database, which is stored on my computer. Here are some variables which will help us later on. Here is the countdown function, which is set to a thread, so it can run separately from our main application. This is the function that when we finish typing and we submit our name, it sends data, it sends the name, the words per minute, accuracy, and points to our database. Here the submit screen appears in case the timer runs out or we finish typing. The submit screen appears. This is the most important function. It's the check letters. It will check every 0.1 seconds, no 0.01 seconds, if what we input is basically correct with the text that is shown. In case what we have inputted is correct, the text will be highlighted in green, and in the other case the text will be highlighted in red. This is the leaderboards window. When we hit the leaderboard button, it creates a new window in which all the players from the database are placed there, ordered by points descending. Now here we just create a window into Kinter. Here is the menu frame, the top frame. Here is the mid frame, and right here we've placed the top 4 people in the leaderboard box. And here is just the bottom frame, so it looks nice.
Okay.
This is oversimplified.
Yes.
If I went deep down in every single aspect, it would take us a lot of time.
Of course,
But basically, this is it.
That's a great job. How long did it take you to write this? Like how many days, hours?
I think 5 days. The past week I've been working very intense on it.
That's great, Adi. That's amazing result after.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I will publish this if you don't mind.
I don't know.
Okay, and you know, probably we have this partnership with our tech bank investors, and we are going to organize a hackathon. And the projects, projects in Bucharest it will be, and probably you will go, and there will be prizes. Yes, so wow, you are great.
I will definitely be there.
For sure. Okay, thank you very much for your time and for your work. Great.
Thank you for your time as well.
Ok, cool, asta e chiar super, super tare ce ai făcut tu aici.
Mulțumesc.